Ever wondered why your LinkedIn profile isn't generating the leads you want? Well, the secret might just be in your summary. Hi there, I'm James Billings, your go-to guy for all things LinkedIn lead generation. Today, we're going to dive into the art of creating a killer LinkedIn summary that will have leads pouring in. But before we get started, if you're new here, or if you haven't done so yet, please hit that subscribe button. This way you won't miss out on any of the valuable content I share on this channel. Now, let's get down to business. Your LinkedIn summary is like your elevator pitch. It's your chance to sell yourself in a few short sentences. It's the first thing people see when they visit your profile, and it's your opportunity to make a lasting impression. But how do you create a summary that stands out? How do you make it so compelling that potential leads can't help but reach out to you? Well, that's exactly what we're going to explore today. Firstly, you need to understand your audience. Who are you trying to attract? What are their needs? What problems can you solve for them? Once you have a clear understanding of your target audience, you can tailor your summary to speak directly to them. Secondly, don't be afraid to show your personality. People do business with people, not profiles. Let your unique personality shine through your summary. Lastly, always include a call to action. Invite your audience to connect with you, to reach out to you, to learn more about what you can offer them. Remember, your LinkedIn summary is more than just a bio. It's a powerful tool that can help you generate high-quality leads. So, take the time to craft a summary that truly represents you and what you can offer. That's it for today's video. I hope you found these tips helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you want to learn more about LinkedIn lead generation, don't hesitate to reach out to me. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your network, and subscribe to the channel for more tips and strategies on LinkedIn lead generation. I'm James Billings, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep generating those leads.